Hello viewers, today we are going to discuss about present continuous tense. Uh, Present continuous tense is actually used to talk about the actions that are ongoing, means uh, the moment of speaking, means the actions that are ongoing at the moment of speaking. In this time we use present continuous tense, so you people have to keep in mind that present continuous tense is used for ongoing actions, but there are some other uses we will discuss with the examples. So we are starting now. If you are new to the video, you people have to subscribe to the channel. What is present continuous tense? The present continuous tense is used to describe actions that are happening right now at the moment of speaking. Means while speaking, the actions are happening around you, in front of you. You are talking about them. Then you will do present continuous tense. One thing, it is formed by using the present tense of the verb to be m is r, followed by the base form of the verb, base form of the main verb plus the ing ending. It means that the helping verbs you will use is mr. These are the helping verbs, and with the base form of verb you will add ing, like I am speaking, I am watching the video, I am watching YouTube. Like after m I use watching. They are speaking. After r I use speaking, speak plus ing, speaking likewise. Okay, you can add object as well. Structure of present continuous tense. What is the structure? Subject plus is mr, this is helping verb plus verb, this is base form verb plus ing plus verb, object plus complement you can add. Okay, example, we are having examples. I am working, she is studying, they are playing, likewise we can do. Usage of present continuous tense. What is the usage of present continuous tense? The very first thing, actions happening at the moment of speaking. At the moment of speaking, what kind of actions are happening? You have to use present continuous tense while expressing or while presenting the actions through your speaking. Okay, next, for example is here. I am typing on my computer right now. Right now I am doing this action. Temporary actions or situations, sometimes we use for temporary actions or for the situations. She is studying, she is staying with her parents for the weekend. This is temporary action or situation. Future plans or arrangements. For future plans we will use our arrangement. We are meeting for lunch tomorrow, means we are meeting. The action is going to happen in future. We are using present continuous tense to present it. It means for future arrangements and plans we sometimes use. Okay, changing or developing situations. For example, the weather is getting colder. When the situations are being changed, we use ing form verb as well. So I hope that you have understood present continuous tense in today's video. We will have some other videos about present continuous tense in next video. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.